Alright, gang. Just pushing the button, record button. Not a bad day. Pretty nice out here. I think we're probably like 30. Oh no, not no. We're under the 30s, so that's quite comfortable. And we're about 6:30ish or something like that. Look at all this. Look at all the junk that grabs on the old golf bag. I know you might not be able to see that, but yeah, oh you can, look. Yeah, that's all fat and stuff that comes off the Barbie. But I think I might give this a bit of a wash off. I think. See, we're not immaculate. This is an old, it's an old car. 1938. But for whatever reason, I've locked the door. Yep, the only door lock is the one on the left hand side. Oh, that's alright. It's only crunched a little bit of timber on the thing there. Yeah, I'm going to give it a wash because I might take it for a drive tomorrow. I think my mate with the listen. Yeah, it's a bit lazy there. So it's been sitting for a week. So these handles, these are off a 1948 Holden. We never had wind out fly windows on our cars in 1948. But yeah. I'll run it down the drive a bit. I'm going to give it a wash out. Give it a bit of a wash. Needs a wash. You can barely see anything coming out of the windscreen here, so. I may be looking into another alternator, I don't know. Low. Anyway, we'll see what happens. But tomorrow I'm going to go around to Bud's place and we're going to do a bit of welding. Weld a bit of weld some stuff up on the chassis on his little L200 Mitsubishi so that we can get the control arms all straightened up so it can get some wheel alignment on the thing, so but I think we'll give her a wash. Yeah, we're all covered in water, soap and things, and you see how the water beads off, and yeah, this has never been polished in 8 years, but comes up right. So I dry them off with a chamois, and yeah. So we're all nice and clean. Running. I've got the young bloke from up the road to chamois it off for me. I was playing with his head, but that's all good. So, yeah, and we're I don't know, about 8:30 or something. Oh girl. So we'll go for a run it tomorrow. We'll take the MIG with us, and oh, that's not a bad noise, is it? So we'll take the MIG with us, and we'll go and weld up some stuff tomorrow, and yeah. So we'll put her away. Might just give her just a little buzz. Sound bad, does it? Gotta love that. Alright guys. Lights are on, as you can see down there. And we'll back her up. We'll put her in the shed. This takes more than one hand, so I'm going to cut you off, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Hang on, let's have another listen to that. Oh yeah. Have a good one. There we go. She's back in the bed. I'm looking out of the window. And she's all nice and shiny.